Remember, don't look back as you brave the Black Forest.
Let's go! Verbolten! Verbolten, the wolf killer! Oh, G-force! Oh, backing out a little bit. Oh, I grayed out a little bit.
I did actually, a little bit.
Oh, man. Oh, it's a good one!
Yes!
Wolf! Wolf! Wolf!
We're on the drop section now.
Man, I really did gray out. That's crazy. Oh, God. Oh, that still gets me. Here we go, second launch. Big wolf finale.
There's the tribute to the wolf. The Rhine River drop. Woo!
Oh. Yeah.
Wolf crossing, there's the wolf crossing.
It's a good ride, even if it is the wolf killer.
It's still enough that it doesn't make me too upset.
Oh, video camera's totally gone. No more online videos.
Mine stopped?
No,
I hope that recorded. No, yeah, I really hope that recorded.
Yeah.
Go to Mont and then I'll be
Okay. I'll grab
Mont.
I'll grab my stuff after.
We're glad to see you've escaped to the forest. Please lift up on your safety harness and exit carefully to your left and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.